All right, my TKs, here is your math creating a graph. Now, your page uses circles and triangles. Now, the instructions might say to use green, but you may use whichever color you'd like so you can enjoy sorting your shapes. Now that Mrs. Gorospe has drawn a few circles and a few triangles, let's organize the information in our graph. Circles, how many do we have? 3. So I'll move the same amount down into the graph. Spaces. Triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Now that it's organized in here, it's very easy to count and write how many. Circles, we have 3. Triangles, we have 5. There we go. When you flip it over, our first question is a graph already created for us. Because it is organized, we can answer this question easily. Which row has 5 shapes? Which row has 5 shapes? Well, there's no circles in this graph, so we know it's not that. There's no rectangles in this graph, so we know it's not rectangles. Squares or triangles? Which row has 5 shapes? The triangles do, Mrs. Gorospe. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's look at these cube towers, my dear friends. Which shows a gray tower that is shorter than the white tower? Gray tower must be shorter. Gray tower must be shorter. Gray tower must be shorter. So if you see here, the only one with a gray tower that is shorter than the white is this last one here. Lastly, how many tiles are in this picture? I see a 10 frame that's all filled up. That means there are 10. And how many are outside? 4. 10 and 4. Which number would show 10 and 4? 14, of course. So we'll bubble that in. And that's it, my TKs. Enjoy practicing and creating your graphs.